Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to talk about the present status of protest against Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Today, many of the students have been protested against Karnataka State Law University. Today, protested at Bangalore, protested at Hubli, and protested at Kalburgi. These are the three places mainly protested against Karnataka State Law University. So, in this video, what is the present status that I need to inform? So, which I have received the information that I am going to explain today. Before that, I would like to speak about Mr. Santosh Nandur. Mr. Santosh Nandur, he has started the protest against the Karnataka State Law University since 6th of December till the time is protesting a lot. We can call it as is a true leader. As per my view and my understanding, is a real hero and a true leader. Why? Because he has taken lot of initiates to protest against Karnataka State Law University. Since 6 till now is at Hubli campus. He has not moved here and there. And since yesterday, he is protesting with hunger, what you call hunger strike is doing it. He has not taken anything. He is fight for justice. So we need to, at least we have to take care of his health, because in this scenario we have to taken care of his health, and along with him today they have started even five members hunger strike. So, keeping in all consideration that KSLU has to take decision very soon. Today also we have not we have not received any fair decisions from the Karnataka State Law University. Today, from morning to till evening, protested against ABEP, NSCU, all irrespective of affiliated student bodies, they have protested against Karnataka State Law University. Finally, we have received only the time being examinations may hold. Whatever 15th is conducting the examinations by KSLU, that will be held for 1 or 2 days, because our VC has to seeking permission from law minister, and he has to discuss with his subordinates and hierarchy people or personnel. He has to discuss with the decision. So today he has not given any decision. Might be tomorrow we may get decision on this. Till that time, that examinations may temporarily hold. So this is how we have received today. But if they don't give any justice for students, the students will be continually strike. There is no stop. Somehow today, somehow little positive results we have got it. We are expecting tomorrow might be giving getting positive results from the KSLU. So till that time we have to patiently we have to wait, and they have to discuss with among their senior advocates and respective personals and law ministers. So this is how today we information we have got it. But I would like to congratulate behalf of my YouTube channel, Mr. Santosh Nandur. He has taken so much of risk and so much of efforts, and he has making success with all community of our students. And along with this, many of the directly and indirectly supported and what do you call, along with him many of the students have been supported. For them also I would like to congratulate, who have been uh, fighting for the justice. Of course we are advocates, we need to get justice where other people are getting it. So we should think, and we should always justice for equality among equality of our students, irrespective of what do you call, irrespective of race, irrespective of sex, irrespective of place. We need to get justice, equality among all our community students. Whereas other university have got already promoted, and they are they have started already academics, what do you call, and students are studying further semesters, whereas our KSLU students still, we don't even, academics have not been started. Our students request here is the KSLU has to start immediately commencing the academics first. Later on we'll discuss what we need to do, those kind of things, and exams to be conducted and what method we have to conduct it. Later on we'll see, but they have to start immediately the academic, so that the students will not get suffer with the whatever that irrecoverable time that has been already, I think 8 to 9 months already got over academics, like what you call academic calendar. So this is the precious time that KSLU University has to conduct the classes immediately. So if they conduct the classes immediately, so that our KSLU students somehow they get justice, and they can complete at least here and there, 6 months here and there, they can complete their course. So after that they will be stand on their own feet, because we have to see in all aspects. We should not think in a narrow minded, we have to be think in a broad manner, so that everyone is equally contributed who have been uh, today the protested. I wish them all the best future endeavors across Karnataka. I hope this video has been given clarity about today's present status of strike as well as hunger strike. Even hunger strike also have been started by Mr. Santosh Nandur. It's not easy to take that task, but difficultly he has taken the task, and even he has admitted in the hospital, and again he came back, and still is fighting for the justice. He has not taken any food, and until they get justice, he won't take food. That we need to take care of his health. It is very important. Everyone is responsible for his health. I hope this video have been given clarity about the today's protest. Thank you. Request to subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Ketty, so that you will receive the informations, present trends, exams, your exams, and as well as your academics. Thank you.